हेलो दोस्तों, एजी एक और आवाज़ में आपका स्वागत है। एंड टुडे वी विल सी द मोस्ट एंड क्रूशियल एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग रिगार्डिंग विद बेगर्स इन इंडिया। Everybody's condition is good, everybody's condition is normal, everybody's condition is far better than the beggars. But here we will talk about beggars condition in India. What do you think? What you think about beggars in India? And in India you have seen that beggars lying on the roadside, and most of the beggars are dying here in this modern era of India's condition is very bad. And comparing with other international countries, and why India's countries people regarding with beggars, everybody's condition is far better than beggars. But beggars condition, you have seen that they have they have not their ration card, and they have not proper shelter and food. And that's why they are ragging here and there on the street side, and having not any life insurance of that beggars is really matters here. Why the condition of beggars are not improving in our country India? We should think about it, and our government should focus a little bit here on the beggars condition, because our beggars in India, the beggars condition are really very poor. The population of beggars not higher, but yeah, a little bit population we should or every kind of people should think about the beggars. Actually, if they are moving on the roadside, they have seen that beggars lying on the road, sitting on the road, standing a roadside, and asking for food, asking for money, asking for every sort of things which really take part to increase in their livelihood, that they do actually. But is there no responsibility of our Indian government to get focused towards the beggars? Is this not a need of our India to improve towards development, and to improve the condition of beggars actually here? So for this reason I am making this video. Our government should focus on the livelihood on the beggars, few policies and few law and rules and regulations, and few a sort of thing we would have to made for beggars, so that help the beggars to improve their condition to so that not much beggars would die on the roadside. It's our duty or responsibility. Our government should focus on this. And this is not a little problem. Even I always not per day, when I have visited a few days ago, I have seen that a beggar was dying due to car accident. And this is not the reason that they are beggars, so that's why they die on the road. No, we should focus on their condition and on their situation, and and raise the voice towards beggars, so that beggars condition would implement would improve a little bit and around us. If we are living in India, if we are living in Hindu Rashtra, we should equally manage our population. We should equally treat with everybody's, and everybody's condition would become far better. That's the responsibility of a government, that's the responsibility and humankind. The value addition towards the humankind, it's a necessity to work around this field. And this is the population and this region, in the beggars region, the condition which is very dull. And in slums you have seen the small child, the small child, they have no any future, any kind of future for their upcoming generations. But yeah, they are struggling with their life. So in this for that little boy, little girl, including inculcating in among beggars, their condition somewhere would be improved and implement by the policies of a government. It is really matters, so that they have their future, not they have their future, because they have right to live their life far better with everyone's like they are living. They have, because they are the creatures of our country on this planet. Every creatures have right to live and to ride their life with their own attitude. And any if the small child, small baby born in a beggar, in a slum, because that is not the fault of that boy, the little boy, that is not the fault of their parents, that is not the fault of any god. Because if god has sent him in a beggar's condition, in the among beggars population, so this is not the reality that he would be a somewhere beggar. Actually, somewhere he would be a good citizen of India by struggling with their life. But yeah, to raise their basic life, to improve their livelihood, to improve their basic livelihood, yeah, there is a necessary thing, which is the policies and laws and rules for making towards beggars, to increase their condition, to improve their living life, so that they will not die on the roadside, that I have seen, you have seen. And government should focus on this, so that they are able to say that they are also Indians, and we should focus among them. And I really appeal to government of India, and we should appeal for beggars to improve their condition a little bit. Thank you so much for listening me. I hope that you will raise a voice for beggars in your future. If you will success in your life, you would definitely able to work towards your own temperament and towards your ideology. I think this is my ideology. And what you think about beggars, comment on the comment box. And thank you so much for saying this video, and I hope that you will aware by via this video towards among people and in our Indian citizens. And thank you so much. We will meet again with new temperament, with new thing which really are the problems, and to give this solution we would work definitely among that sector. This is our Indianship, and this is our humankind. Thank you so much. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.